How are you, ma'am?
I'm great, thank you. So, how are you? How was your day?
Yeah, I am very well, and thanks for asking.
Okay, cool. So have you been through the session document today?
Yeah, I have gone. Actually, today's topic had, I think, celebrity.
Yes, that's right. It's about celebrities. So, are you comfortable with the
Celebrity.
topic, or do you want to talk about something else?
Yeah, we can talk with our conversation. Before our conversation, I would like to introduce myself, and I would like to know about yourself a little bit.
Sure. So, should I
Yeah,
go? Okay, yeah, you go first.
yeah. So this is Birpal. I am from Uttar Pradesh, but currently I live in Silvassa in
Mm.
Dadra Nagar Haveli, and I am a private employee, and I am also a student.
Okay. My name is Sambhavi, and I come from Pondicherry. So, I'm MTech
Okay,
student here. I've just started my second year.
okay. So you are also, I think, you are also a student.
Yes, that's right.
Okay.
So what are you
And
studying?
sorry.
What are you studying?
Yeah, I am person Bachelor of Arts BA. This is my second year.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
Yeah.
Uh,
So you are
yeah, anything
from
else?
Pondicherry. You are from
Yeah,
Pondicherry.
yeah, I'm from
So
Pondicherry.
what's your mother tongue actually?
My mother tongue is Tamil.
Tamil. And you can speak Hindi as well as you are good in English. So what is the reason of this?
I'm not good in Hindi. I mean, I don't speak Hindi at all. I just speak Tamil. I speak Kannada. I speak a little bit of French. I know French. I can't speak French. It's been a long time. Yeah, and yeah, I can speak English.
Okay. And you can speak good English now. So
Yes,
you
I
are
can.
from you read from English medium school, then nowadays you
Yes.
can speak good English. Okay.
I think it's more than just studying in an English medium school. I think it's more to do with watching a lot of movies because I used to watch a lot of movies. I used to read a lot of novels. So I think that played a huge part.
And in our future nowadays, English is the most important thing in our life. We have English skill, then we can do uh, very easily. If we don't have English skill, we can't do the everything. And we can do, but we can do without English skill, but we have to face lots of problems without skills. Am I right? Lots
Yeah,
of
that's true.
people available like that, they don't have English skill, but they are working well, and they have good knowledge about other subject and other language, but they can't speak English, and they are earning a good deals also, and they can manage our business also, but they have to face lots of problem. Am I right?
Um, yeah.
Yeah. So English, I think every person should learn English nowadays, and we should teach our children also,
Mm-hmm.
and we have to get admission in English medium school.
Yeah, that's
Am I
right.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, I am from Hindi medium school. That's why I am facing lots of problem nowadays.
Okay. So till your 12th,
Yeah.
you were in a Hindi medium school, is it?
Yeah. I did pass my 12th in Hindi medium, and I am
Okay.
pursuing also from Hindi medium nowadays also.
Oh, so you're in a Hindi medium college right now?
Yeah, Bundelkhand University, Jhansi. This is
Okay,
Hindi
okay,
medium. Yeah.
okay. And how come you speak in English now?
You know, I have told you I am a private employee. I am working in private company. So English is very efficient in this place. If
Okay.
we have English skill, then we can grow ourselves, and we can take good level also. Where before 6 months ago, I was not able to express myself. I can't speak any one even word, one word. I can't speak even one word.
Mhm.
before 6 months ago, but I was facing lots of problem without English skills, and I decided that if every person can learn and can speak, then definitely if I try to speak, then definitely I also can speak English.
Mhm.
So that's why I am learning English, and
Okay.
I can little bit speak nowadays. You can judge me also.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I will do my best in future, and I will do and I do hard work. I will do practice most ofly. So
Yeah,
I
I
will
mean,
try.
coming from a Hindi medium college and school, I think you're doing pretty well now. I'm surprised you're
Yeah.
even in a Hindi medium college right now.
Yeah. And in my house and college also, there are not any environment to speak English. They all teachers and my parents and my neighbor and villagers all are speak. They can speak only Hindi. They can't speak in English. That's why there are all environment so in Hindi. So we didn't get any chance to speak English. But nowadays I am facing, so that's why I am thinking before sometime if I have knowledge, then I can join any good job, any I can do any work like you. You sit at home and you can you can teach with someone from your home. So this is good. I think if I have also uh, I would have also this type of skill, then I can teach from my home. This it will be good for me.
Yeah, true. So
Yeah,
I'm
and
sure you'll learn. No worries.
yeah, I will try and I will hard work, and it is not my hand. If God want, then definitely I can speak.
Mhm.
Yeah,
It is not in my hands.
it's not my hand. We can say it is
No,
not my hand.
it is not in my hands.
Yeah, it is not in my hand. It's not my hand. We can say in shortcut. It's
No, that's wrong.
what?
It's like you're saying it's not my hands. So it's like you're
It's
saying these
not
don't
my
belong
hand.
to you. I think the right
Okay.
one would be it's not in my hands, which means it's not in my capability to do that.
Yeah, but we can say it is it is not in my hand.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, you have to use it's not in my
Okay.
hand. You
Okay,
you
but we
missed
can't
in there.
say okay, but we can't say it's not in my hand. It's not in my hand.
It's not in my hand is right. You have to use in there.
Okay. Okay. In
Yeah.
I'm missing in.
Yeah, you missed in.
Okay, I got it.
Okay. You also said before 6 months ago. So you do realize that before and ago are
Yeah.
are same words. They have the same meaning. So you can either use I traveled before 6 months, or you can use I
Okay.
traveled 6 months ago.
Travel. Okay.
So don't use before and ago in the same sentence because they mean the same thing. So you use either one of
Okay.
them.
I know about that, but whenever I use that word, then automatically I speak. I know these are the same word before and ago,
Mhm.
but due to conversation, I speak automatically. I
Okay.
can't stop that word. That word.
You will get that with practice.
Yeah, yeah. So we move our topic
Yeah,
about
sure.
celebrity now.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'll ask you a
we
most
are.
obvious question. So, who's your
Yeah,
favorite
yeah.
celebrity and why do you like him or her?
Actually, I don't like most ofly. I
Mm-hmm.
I like myself only. I like every actor, every actress, but I'm not like that. I am very big fan of him. I am very big fan of. I don't do this type of activity. Whenever one actors come any sufficient place and lots of uh, people's go behind him, and they are very crowd, and they are laugh and enjoying. It's not like that. If in my place any actress and actor will come here, then I will not go there.
Okay.
Actually, yeah, they are also human being. They are not God. Yeah, but
Okay.
I know they have good experience. They are working very well, and they are make funny uh, someone and everyone. And yes, they are entertaining man. They are working in entertainment. It's all right. This is their work, and we have our work. We are working our work, and they are working. Not an issue. So
Okay.
yeah, I love all person. They are working very well, but we have lots of very bad person in film industry, like celebrity also. But we can't share with you now. Actually, this is a online session. It will be against with them. That's why we shouldn't share. Uh,
We
any.
shouldn't worship them or give them so much importance.
Sorry.
Are you telling we shouldn't worship them or give them so much importance?
Yeah, yeah.
So you
Why
you
we
don't
should?
like?
Why
Yeah,
we
go
should?
ahead. Sorry.
Okay. Why we should waste our time? They are coming any place and we are wasting our time. It's not like that. I don't like. Yeah, I like every person. Uh, every actors is my favorite. If I watch any uh, thumbnail, good thumbnail on YouTube, then I will watch that movie. I'm not sure I will watch this. I will watch this. Not like that. I
Okay.
found on YouTube, then I will watch that movie. That's all.
Okay. So you're not particular about watching one particular actor or actress.
No. It's not like that. I'm not, like any servant's servant. We can. I'm not any person's servant. We can say like
Okay.
that, like this.
Um, I think you mean, yeah, I mean, in a way, it's right. Servant. The pronunciation is servant.
Servant. Yeah, servant. We are freedom. We can enjoy ourselves.
You mean we are
Am I
free?
right? Yeah. We can use freedom.
No, I think freedom is like a noun or something. You can say that we have gained our freedom. Okay,
Okay.
we have gained our freedom. So here it's not treated as a verb, it's treated as a thing or noun. Whereas in the point of what you're trying to make, we are free now. So I think in that case, like, I think this is the right term. We are free. We have gained our
Okay.
freedom. That's the difference.
Yeah. And they have well money. There are we have lots of actress and film producer, like musician, writers, and they have lots of money. They are earn good money, and they are living is very luxury surrounding. It's good. They have and they are enjoying. Am I right?
Luxurious. The living is very
Luxurious,
luxurious.
luxurious.
Yeah. So do you think celebrities are always happy?
Yeah, according to person, which type of person he is, uh, like he want to happiness in our life, then definitely he will be happy. Then he has lots of money, yeah, but he uh, go to behind money. He don't want to happiness, and he go to the work and work and work. And we should take care of our family and happiness also.
Okay.
Money
So it
is not
depends on a
important, I
person.
think.
Mhm.
Yeah, depend on
Okay.
person and
Okay.
situations, and
Mhm.
uh, this kind of thing.
Okay. Okay. I think we have like another 2 minutes. So I'll just quickly
Yeah,
go
yeah,
through the things that we need to work on. Okay.
sure,
So I
sure,
think
sure.
you made a few grammatical mistakes. For example, your pronunciation of conversation and servant, you have a strong influence of your mother tongue. I think that's why your pronunciation is different.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. You also mentioned one actors come in. So you see the mistake here. You said one, but then the next preceding word is plural. So you have to say one actor come in or came in. So one actor
Okay.
came in. You said one actors came in.
Yeah, yeah. We can't say one actress. We have to
Actors,
say
yeah,
one actor. Yeah,
yeah,
it is
that's
right.
right.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. You also said all the person. I think it's all the persons.
Or the persons. Yeah.
Yeah. And I think that's pretty much it. But on the whole, you need to work on your sentence formation. I think it's very jumbled and messed up.
Okay.
Okay. You also need to work on your tenses. I think if you
Tenses.
work on your sentence formation, you'll automatically correct your tenses.
Okay.
You also need to work on your singular and your plural word usage, like the ones that I just pointed out.
Okay. I know, but due to COVID, due to conversation, whenever I use that word, then I forget. I know this is singular and that is plural.